Today we're making these delicious curry fried wings. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's go ahead and marinate our chicken wings. It's already been washed. Here I have some seasonings which I will list in the description or in the caption. You want to mix that well to combine, then add it to the chicken along with some fresh green seasoning. If you don't have green seasoning, you can omit it. And I will go in with some island spice oil, which I will link down below. You want to mix everything well to combine and then cover and allow it to marinate for about 2 to 6 hours. If you have overnight time, that would be best. Now after about 4 hours, I will go in with some cornstarch, and you want to just work that in really well. And this will help to make the chicken super crispy without, doing like a batter or a breading. So we will combine that and then we'll head over to the fryer and we'll fry them up. So here I have my fryer preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will fry these up for about 10 minutes or so. If you like your wings fried hard, you might want to do 12 to 15 minutes. I like mine right in the middle. I don't like it too hard. So this was perfect for me. Once done, remove them, set aside, and carry on with the next batch. And this is how they look once they were done. They smell amazing. That curry flavor comes right through. And it was so crispy on the outside, but juicy and delicious on the inside. I'm an all flats girl, so I picked out most of the flats and had it with some fried yellow plantains and some ranch dressing. And it was divine. So give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.